Alright, just give me a sec. Alright, how is everyone doing? Yesterday I couldn't go live because my power went out and it came back, and I thought I would go live now, but the power went off again. And there is a very high chance that power might go off right now. It's not night time and it's still not off. Ah, man. At this point, yeah. I'm sorry. I don't even have any excuse at this point, to be honest. But yeah, today we are gonna try out Perplexity Comet. I haven't yet opened the browser yet. I just got the invite. I accepted the invite. I downloaded the browser, placed it in the applications folder. Haven't opened it yet. I do not know how I can play lo-fi. I am sorry. The audio won't work, so I don't know how I fix that and how I play stuff like that. I have to figure that out. Yeah, for now I just recommend man just play your own lo-fi at this point. Yeah, next stream I might do something like that. I'm literally serious right now. Probably should do something. Delhi meet when? You tell me. Like I don't know. Like if there's any meetup in Delhi, which is like specific to React developers or anything which is JavaScript or TypeScript based, I might come. Nah, tomorrow I'm like that's not happening. Have you seen the flight prices? NG Rock meetup 3rd August. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I literally have NG Rock open right now. Like literally, I have NG Rock open right now. Oh, you are hosting it? Okay, I might think about it. I am not promising anything. Yeah, I am so out of touch with these events. I literally have no idea when these happen. I try to follow Meetup, Luma, and stuff but I just keep missing stuff. And like whenever there is some meetup in Pune, it's usually 11 a.m., 10 a.m., and I'm sleeping during that time, so I literally just cannot wake up and go. Another familiar face in the chat, me happy, yeah. By the way, Amitesh gave me the Comet invite, so that's why I'm streaming this right now. So you shout out to him. All right, should I open it now? Have I spent enough time? Hold on, let me just see if there's anything open. Okay, there is stuff open here. I probably should close it. Hold on. Oops. Okay. I might have just gotten into trouble if I didn't close that. Alright. Just do me a favor and hit the like button. Like, I just really want people to get recommended about this stream. Okay, I'm gonna start a comment right now. Let's do this. Did you have your dark web tabs open? No, it was something related to app, right? Okay. Let's see. I've heard very cool things about Comet, so let's see. Verifying Comet. Alright. Comet is an app downloaded from the internet. Please don't open it on my monitor. I beg you, please. Okay, it did. I hate it. Okay. I just dragged it in time. Okay. Cool animation, I guess. Please open on the monitor, show all the dirty nah, I literally have just Discord, Streamlabs, and my stream open on the monitor. There's literally nothing else. I don't even have space to open anything else right now. And I'm on an ultra wide, so just remember. Get started. Unlock. Can I import from Dia? Yeah, perfect. Oops. Oops. Alright. So what do I choose here? I think I like this one. But I also... Yeah, I like the moon. Continue. Comment as a default button, not yet. Please share your crash report, bugs, and usage statistics. Nah, I don't want to do this. Start comment. Alright. So I'm just gonna go to x.com right now. Can I type? Okay. Can I get rid of this? Yeah, just allow everything. How do I get rid of this? I don't want bookmarks bar. Okay. So, Arey Vedant Kothari, how are you doing, man? It's been a long time. Where do you live now, by the way? Are you still in Mumbai? I forgot. Sorry for that, I guess. Alright. Assistant. Okay, so there is a draft to post option. Oh yeah. I'll let you know when I come to Mumbai. I do have some plans. We should meet. It's been a very long time. Write a post using my account saying this post is written using Comet. If this works, I'm already in love with Comet. Let it draft post and even tweet it. Okay, so personal account. What should I say then? I should just say write a post using my personal account appreciating Comet browser and how truly magical it is. हेलो भाई आ गए आपको परेशान करने feel free to by all means. Okay, let's try this out. Oops, my head was interrupting, but it's fine. Okay, this is cool. This is already so much better than Dia, and I like the UI too. Oh, I can edit this? Can I just ask it to change something here? I probably cannot. This is too much. Just one line and mention that this tweet is written using Comet. I'm gonna shift my face. We don't need my face. It's the most. No, why is the screen? I can't. I hate Streamlabs with all of my heart. Alright. Okay, so I cannot enter. I need to skip here and do that way. Stop. This is too much. Just one line and mention that this tweet is written using Comet. Kasa se ho? What do you mean kasa se ho? Kaha? If you mean kaha se ho, Maharashtra. Yeah, continue. That works. I mean, it would be amazing if they tagged it, but it's fine. I don't care. Okay. Yeah, I already like it. I already like it. Okay, let me just ask it to edit the tweet and tag Comet browser on X instead of just writing Comet. See, I'm lazy that I could have done it better, but I'm gonna ask it to do it. How to use Perplexity? What do you mean how to use Perplexity? I don't want to open. What? I literally have my post right there. Oh, it's looking for the username. Okay, I'm gonna trust it here. I don't want it to post anything stupid. I don't. Okay. Okay. Stop messing with me, man. Okay, I'm gonna just watch it struggle. No, it's not the Comet browser. What? Bro, you are a browser. You don't even know. Okay, I cannot. Browser use your. Yeah. Yes. Are they using browser use? I am not sure. Or doing. Or are they doing their own thing? To be fair, I haven't even used browser use myself. I am sorry if the stream is lagging so much. This browser is eating away a lot right now. Can I just help him? Hold on. Oh, it almost found it out. Great. M4 Pro time, not anytime soon, man. It's way too expensive. It's lagging so bad. Okay, so there is a pin post. I hope it does not touch that one. Okay, great. Are there any rate limits? I already like this. I'm pretty sure this is going to be very expensive to run in the future. Unless they run like a local model or something. Update. Yeah, good. Go ahead. Yeah, the fans on my Mac are like already running. Yeah, I cannot keep this up, man. Like, I need to do something about this problem. Just log in with Pro account. Oh, so Pro has unlimited? Yeah, I already have 2 years of Perplexity Pro. Okay, damn. This is... Okay, I like this. Like... Okay, so how do I find out if I'm logged in or not? What is this? Settings, I guess. Yeah, I mean, I don't see myself doing this a whole lot often all the time, but this is good, I guess. It's fun. It's slow. It is very slow. Like, it is so slow that I probably would rather just be fine doing it myself, but it's understandable. We are still making progress, and I don't like this diya. You know, I don't have polite words in my mouth when it comes to stuff that Diya does, and Perplexity copied this from Diya, and I don't like this at all. Can I disable this stupid Okay, at least Dia had the option to disable that. Alright, hold on. I just got a message. Whew. Okay. Now, what should I try doing this with? I want to do something which does not dox me. Like I'm already doxed, but I don't want to show serious stuff on my YouTube channel, you know. What should I try to do? Okay, I probably should ask it to do it on LinkedIn as well. Do the same on LinkedIn as well. Is it like it can control any website, or is it only just a few bunch of them like X, LinkedIn and stuff? I don't know. Oh, it already has opened the page, but it's not showing. Oh, I almost forgot to post the tweet. Damn, I'm so stupid. I forgot to post that I'm live. I'm doing that right now with Dia. Thanks for tagging me, by the way, Amitesh. But yeah, it needs to find the proper handle for Perplexity Comet for LinkedIn and not just use the one. On LinkedIn it's tricky because you don't have the at signs, but you still use the at to tag, so you need to do it while typing. It's kind of messed up. Hold on, I have a lot of messages. I forgot to open the chat. Great. Tostin, how you doing? Oh no, that sounds like super sketchy. Yeah, it is. I wouldn't trust it with anything serious. Oh, this it asked me to doing this. Okay. I tried creating presentation slides using search infos. It was able to do that as well. I can try doing something like that, you know. It's going to take a lot of time and I'm willing to wait because even after this I have to sit and code as well. Doing fine, enjoying my weekend, doing some fun coding. Yeah, like even I have to code some stuff. So after I'm done testing this browser, I'm just gonna jump right into it in the stream. I'm gonna resume where we left off last time. What? It's not live on LinkedIn. What do you mean? I'm pretty sure it's not. How do you get the access? You need an invite. Oh, it did post it. Okay, great. It just didn't appear in the UI. Okay, damn. This is good. Okay. How about I ask it to, yeah, presentations idea is good as well, but try to try to do something unique. Might turn this into a video. Booking flights is very easy. Like, to be honest, I'm not even booking a flight right now. Yeah, I asked it to do that. I asked it to do that. I want, like, whoever sees the post, I want it to know, like, I want them to know that I have used Perplexity Comet. I always mess that up. It's cool, but not fast enough. Anyway, AGS, yeah, it's. I think the time we could have local models which are fast and work properly, we could do that. Any other ideas? It's very difficult to come up with ideas. I always struggle with them, even when it comes to YouTube. Whew. Yeah. Also, it asks you, like, before posting anything, it asks you. Okay, let's try to do something with app, right? What do you say, Austin? What if I ask it to create a new app right project and maybe just copy the project ID? I guess. No, create an app right project and create a new database called store. Let's try to do it. Now I want you to go to app right cloud, create a new project and then a new database called as store. By the way, wanting to write a blog story about what I'm building right now, do you know if Twitter articles is worth giving a shot? I don't know. I have never used it. I always use the lower tier premium version, not the higher tiers. I have seen people get success with it, but I would say just post it both places, like on your own blog and as well as Twitter. I won't consider Twitter as like your blog platform. Let's ask it to create small projects and deploy as well. Yeah, we deploy how? Like it doesn't have access to a terminal, right? I want to try the app right one and then we can also do something else. Are you saying something like using Vercel to create projects or stuff like that? Yeah, open the page. Use Medium. Okay. Canonical URL is to post, not on X. Yeah. I have found success on Medium. My entire career started because of Medium. There was one article that worked really well. So yeah, I cannot say bad stuff about it, but like the lack of good markdown support, I don't know. Okay, now it's asking me to do stuff myself. Do it yourself. Maybe I should open a new tab and ask it because it might already be fatigued at this point. Create a new project, then create a new database called as store. I mean, come on, you should be able to do at least this much. There's less friction for people to read it coming from X. Yeah, I mean, you should, like, as Amitesh said, use the canonical tags so that like no, Amitesh, I'm talking about like the code snippets I add. Like there was like when I used to write on Medium, the only way to add code snippets in a very sane way used to be using like what do you call it, using GitHub gists and embedding those gists in Medium. Ashnode is pretty Ashnode, bro called it Ashnode. Yeah, my personal blog is now Hashnode, although it's been a very long time since I've written anything on it. Okay, so it is doing something. Okay, I like this. Okay, I actually like this. It's not just limited to X or LinkedIn or stuff like that. You can literally do anything with it. Perplexity cooked with this one, man. On a US keyboard, what do you mean? This is the first time I'm listening something like that. Why are we doing this with AI if this is gonna take so much time compared to doing it manually? It's about the principle, man. Like, of course, I could do it myself. It doesn't matter. I would do it myself, to be honest. But like, I just want to try it out. It just feels cool that you don't have to touch it and just gonna do stuff for you. You know, it's impossible to create a code snippet with German keyboard. Okay, I have no idea about German keyboards, but I'll take your word for it. Hashnode has good editor, but whole platform is dead mostly. I mean, I used to be active on those times where they used to have like the Next.js hackathon, and funnily enough, they used to have this Web3 hackathon. Like there was a third web hackathon. That's how I got into third web as a developer in the first place. And yeah, like everything I do revolves around content, so it's very hard for me to, talk crap about things when they have given me opportunities here and there. Yeah. Okay, it is done. It has done creating stuff. Okay. Now, Amitesh, do you have any idea about what you told about create small projects and deploy it? Do you want me to use something like Bolt, Lovable, or what do you mean? Should I use V0? Should I use Bolt? Should I use Lovable? Maybe we could ask it to like have its own creative input and do it completely automatically and not take our help. By the way, we have 39 views already, damn, and we have 7 viewers concurrent on right now. So make sure you go and hit the like button for me. Use Lovable, it's fast and easy. Okay, so I'm gonna create a new assistant. I want you to create a website which looks really nice and is for my personal portfolio. Yeah, windsurf. I literally have an entire video on windsurf. I don't like it. I'm sorry. Like if people like it, I'm sorry. You do you. It might work for you. It does not work for me. It absolutely sucks for me. Using an LM to talk to an LLM. Yeah, we have reached peak. What do you call it? Peak degenerate behavior or whatever you call it, something like that. I wanted to create a website for my nice for my personal portfolio. My name is Atharva Deosdale and I work as a DevRel at AppWrite. I also run my own YouTube channel. https atharva.code/yt. What else should I give it? I want to have my previous experiences, to be honest. Make sure I don't have to interfere. Use your judgment to see if it looks nice, and if not, refine accordingly. The UI must look modern with a dark theme. Using Lovable. I forgot to say using Lovable. Now to the important question: can that browser do the Bangalore? I almost said the right word. I do not want to say that word for a very good reason on YouTube, But your answer is that it probably can. I don't know. I do not endorse anything for YouTube reasons, but I mean, I don't know. It could work. Is it worth doing that? Probably not. I don't know, man. Like, you can keep having a discussion about that in the chat, but I probably won't speak about it. Okay, I'm gonna say I'm not logged into Lovable. Should I make it easy? I'm gonna log into Lovable for now. Is it lovable.dev? Yeah, it is lovable.dev. I don't want it to be interfered by a login screen, so I'm gonna log in for it. Oh yeah, just give me a second. I need to log in. It can research and stuff, right? I don't know. I've spent a lot of time with it right now. By the way, I also have a YouTube channel, mostly literal. Yeah, if you are into AI stuff and AI agents and stuff, make sure you go ahead and give him a subscribe as well, Amitesh. Give a subscribe to Amitesh. Like I'm not posting a lot of AI videos, so I don't see him as a competitor. So yeah. Okay, it's not even a thing of about competitors. We help each other win. Okay, skip. Is it the first time I'm using lovable? I'm pretty sure that's not the case. Okay. Okay, this now I'm just gonna sit and wait. My question is that how is it gonna know if the website is ready or not? Does it wait for it, or will it ask me to ping it? I don't. If that's the case, I hate everything. But if they do it themselves, I like this would be automatically my favorite browser ever. The only thing that bothers me in this browser right now is like the Dia style thing here. I hate it with all of my heart. All right, let's wait. Okay, it keeps checking them itself. Okay, that's really great. I automatically my favorite browser. I'm gonna quit Dia, but the problem with Dia is that my live stream is currently being monitored on Dia, so I cannot quit it literally right now. But like after the stream is over, I'm done with Dia. Like Dia, like I'm so sad that browser company fumbled so hard. One example I saw, I wrote the whole blog formatted and posted titles and all that. I mean, good idea. I don't know I would do that. I would trust AI with my articles to be honest. But why does it needs to be a browser though? Looks like an extension could do the same, but harvest less data. I do not think extension could do this to be honest. Like with all the stuff which is Chrome doing, I think this is a very good choice because like if you see Chrome, like I'm pretty sure Chrome would compete and like easily push out updates to extension to like render them useless. And I'm pretty sure they don't even have the permissions to do this. I don't think so to be honest. Like I think this should like I'm glad this is a browser. And to be fair, like they are a company, they need you to lock in. Like even however say like vendor lock-in is bad, they will need you to lock in. So probably they are doing it this way. They don't want you to use it on different browsers. I don't know. I might be wrong. I'm so bad at this stuff. I literally cannot. Okay, lovable. Why are you taking so much time? Cloud code would have been much faster with this. Hold on. I think I saw something, but it's fine. I probably should not speak about it right now. Uh, I just don't trust all the random companies throwing out browsers like that. It's a very sensitive piece of software, and even though it's a fork, messing up could be bad. Yeah, I agree with you, but at the same time, Chrome is not my ideal experience. I hate the UI. I mean, a skin could fix that. To be honest, to be fair. Two things on the down. Do you think I like? I'm pretty sure this doing something like this would easily cause some permissions issues. I am not sure though. Like, I'm not claiming that I am the person who is knowledgeable about all of this stuff. Okay, can my stream work for once? Like, why am I lagging so much? I'm literally running a browser and nothing else. Like, it isn't that. I'm killing Discord for now. I don't need Discord out of all things. Okay. Killing Discord instantly fixed my stream. So Discord bad. Okay, it won't let me scroll or anything here, which is... I have built extensions in the past that to interact with DOM and do API requests unless I'm missing a puzzle piece here that they do too. Yeah, I'm like, if that's the case, if I've tried it out, I will trust your judgment. So it's probably just because they want to build a browser, not because they could just use a, like, it's just, I think, a business decision at this point. Hey buddy, what's up? Some people are saying that we can get 1 year Sonnet for free. Is that true? I do not think so. I think these are the people who spread the rumors that Jio is launching a new plan, just like Airtel, that gives you Cloud Force on it for free for a year, which is not true. You literally can't do that because like it's a very expensive model to run. They would never do that. Like, it's impossible unless they get Ambani money, which is a completely different topic than today. What is it doing exactly here? Okay, it's done. No, this looks not so polite words. Didn't I ask you to interact with it until it looks modern and beautiful? Bro, you killed Discord, right? I'm also facing the same issue like Discord application hanging. I use Discord browser, it works fine, but whenever I put this... Yeah, I do not like to use Discord in browser. It's like, I cannot imagine seeing Discord inside a browser window. I know it's Electron technically, it still works inside a browser, but I don't want to see my tabs above it. It's just a me thing. I'm sorry. I can't say for sure if extension will make these things possible. Even if it's possible, it will not bring much hype or use. Yeah, I think it's more of a business decision. Why you gaslight the assistant like that? Did I gaslight it? I truly think this looks bad. Cloud Code generated a super good... If you don't already know, let me go to Twitter. Cloud Code generated a UI which absolutely blew my mind. In one go. Hold on. Okay, just look at this. Cloud Code generated this UI in one shot. In just one shot. And you are telling me that this UI is good? I cannot. Something wrong with Discord, I guess. Yeah, like, since they are Electron, they could technically bloat it however they want. So, I mean, the goal for me is to get a new laptop. Oh, you were in the stream? Okay. Yeah, I do remember you being like you are literally one of like the most regular people on my stream. So it's just that I might have forgotten. Discord Live was breaking last week. We hosted for the one company I work with. Whole demo session was a bad experience. I usually don't feel I get a very bad experience with Discord, but when I'm recording or streaming, it's a completely different story. I hate it. I hate Discord when I'm streaming. I need to kill it every single time. UI is decent? No, it's not. It's bad. It's straight out of an like college grad, sorry, whatever I said. I mean, I won't pretend that I know how to build better UIs, but come on, I've like if Cloud Code can one shot an UI better than this, I mean, I have never been a fan of Lovable myself. I do not like these tools. I absolutely hate these tools with my entire heart. No code tools are something which I absolutely hate. I'm sorry, whoever says whatever. Like, I know they got a new funding and stuff, but I absolutely hate this. I do not like it at all. One thing is that, one thing is that I cannot scroll if the assistant is doing its thing, or maybe it's just, like lovable thing. Maybe it's a bug. I don't know. Was pretty surprised. I did it when Sonnet 4 came out. Yeah, and I also tried it on Cursor. Cursor can build good UIs. You just need to like ask it 5 to 6 times to do it, and then it will make a decent one, like this one right here. But it's never that good. Like sometimes I have made really absolutely stunning UIs with Cursor. It's, I don't know, like it's hit or miss, but pretty sure it's also hit or miss on Claude side. But the models are not dumbed down in Claude. At least like right now, like there are reports that they are dumbing down the models, but I haven't personally felt that way. It's still better than Cursor. I mean, I have both Cursor and Claude Code. I have been using Cursor for an year now. I think they need to lock the browser on purpose. They don't want it to interact while you can control. I mean, I still managed to click something, so I don't know. Oh, it has a very good prompt. It literally has technical details and stuff. PY32 like tailwind classes. Damn. Okay. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I understand. I mean, me being able to click might just be another bug in the browser. Still very early. I'm so afraid of opening a tab on my browser right now. It's like I'm literally using my mobile to go to Twitter. Alright, what's happening? Is it? Okay, so much confusion. What's happening? Okay, open a new tab. What payment provider do you recommend? If you are looking for developer experience, I would go for Polar. If your entire audience is Indian, I would go for Dodo Payments. I need to make a video on Dodo Payments. I am so behind on that. I'm sorry for that. I will probably start recording tomorrow. We have 58 views and 7 likes. We have been online for 45 minutes. Damn. We have been testing this out for 45 minutes now. It's very slow. It is very, very slow. We haven't even started to write code yet. Lovable is so slow, man. Like, I used to think Claude Code is slow, but come on, this has to be the slowest thing ever. So that paddle works in India? Yeah, paddle works in India. The last time I checked, it did. If something might have changed, I don't know. It's been a while since I checked them out. Funnily enough, I had a call scheduled with Paddle. I mean, they gave me a link. No, I don't want to subscribe. Let's. Uh, okay, so the message limit reached. Okay, we ended up with nothing, but it is what it is. It does its job. I have seen it write 2-3 messages. Like, just look at this. I need to shift my face. Hold on. Okay, yeah. So it wrote all of this. Okay, it gave an urgent prompt and stuff, man. Like, damn, it knows how to manipulate LLMs. Okay, so what I was saying that I had, like, the Paddle team gave me a link to schedule a call, but then I was traveling and I just didn't get onto it, and then later the link got expired. So damn, I was gonna give them a lot of feedback about how to improve their payment stuff, but damn. I needed to completely scrap and rebuild from scratch with truly stunning visuals. Okay, damn, the prompt is really, really good. I'm not gonna lie, I would have never thought of something like this. I wish it would work though. Like, yeah, I need to. Okay, I can't don't. I would say it's not just those options. I said if you're using, if your audience is Indian, use Dodo Payments because Dodo Payments has UPI support, but Polar and other stuff work with India as well. It's just that you need to stick with card payments or like other payment stuff, and they don't have UPI yet. People have brought it to the Polar team to like get it to UPI and stuff like, but I don't know where they are on. How come Stripe is not operating in India? Such a huge market. They used to, but there was a lot of fraud happening, so they disabled it. I still, funnily enough, I still have an account. I registered before the entire saga happened, and yeah, I think I probably still have that account active. I just don't use it. Um, yeah, they probably should get out of invite only and have more checks, more like KYC checks as to who is a fraudulent person, who is not. All right, let me just drink some water. I think I'm done with testing out Comet. This is definitely going to be my daily driver from now on. It's just that I need to continue with Dia for now because I need to migrate stuff over. How can smaller providers can then? I am sure you know about the merchant of record thing, right? So they have authorization in India. They can do it, and that's why they allow us to do it. So basically, these smaller providers just wrap us around Stripe, and they also mostly use the other providers as well. Like in India, we have Razorpay, so some of them wrap Razorpay and do that and make it work. So the difference, like using just Stripe and MOR, is like, I'm pretty sure you already know that, but like with Stripe, in your payment statement, your name appears like the actual merchant name, but in an MOR, for example, if I use Polar, the statement will say Polar and dash, and it will say whatever you bought. So that's how it works. It's a legal jargon. I don't know. There is a lot of sales tax and stuff. I'm not the best person to answer that. I just know how to integrate those. Hopefully, one day, if I sell my own SaaS, I probably probably never gonna happen. But let's see. I probably would have more idea about how that works. Yeah, I mean, a lot of countries do not need to worry about MORs at all. Indians do because, of course, we cannot use Stripe. I'm sure if Stripe was enabled, a lot more people would be using Stripe by now. All right. I think we should start coding right now. I'm gonna go ahead and quit Perplexity for now. What is this though? Open in tab, library, new thread. What else can I explore here? There was settings tab, right? Oh yeah, always show full URLs. I do not want that stupid. Yeah, this looks way better. Perplexity, build me a Stripe portal. Yeah, I'm. There are open source alternative, but you still have to do everything like legal stuff, compliance stuff. I don't even want to imagine that. Like whenever compliance comes into my mind, I'm like almost dying. Like I'm dead. Anything else? I won't set the default browser right now. On startup, open the new tab page. Performance. Inactive tab around site icons. Yeah, please do that. Always keep these sites inactive. Nah, not right now. Memory saver. Yeah, balance is fine. Comet preserves background activity and visual effects. Nah, I'm on power 24/7, so I do not care at all. Speed preload pages. More preloaded pages might be preloaded Google servers when requested by other sites. Should I do extended preload? Nah, I think it's fine. I probably should not fiddle a lot. I'm a little bit worried about it. Alright, I think we should start code now. I'm gonna edit the stream real quick. I won't be coding for a long time. I'm already getting tired by the stream. Okay, I edited the stream title. Yeah, this is so slow when I'm streaming. Like my browser always never works. We have 7 likes on stream. If you are here, if you haven't liked the stream, please make sure you like it so that YouTube suggests my content a lot more than before. Alright. Whew. I'm gonna quit Perplexity now. And I'm gonna open our terminal. Where is it? Okay. I think last we left off as like authentication. We need to work on the authentication itself using BetterAuth client. Did we install the BetterAuth? Okay, it's so lagging right now. Cloud code. Gonna give it a second. Yeah, I'm gonna move my face again to the most irrelevant part of the screen. I think that should be fine. Auto update failed. Should I update it? Yeah, let me just do that. IG Anthropic AI / cloud code. What's new? Okay, I will pretend I understood this. Whatever. Let me just open my other browser. But yeah, Comet is easy. Like after I quit this stream, I'm gonna switch to it. I'm gonna move everything over. For now, we have to deal with the. You planning on going more serious with this project or just playing around? For now, I'm just playing around. If it gets serious, it's one thing is for sure. This is probably gonna be just open source. I don't think it's gonna get serious. Like none of my projects do, but if it does, we'll see. Then I don't know. I just like the idea. Like one day, shadcn mentioned about people should be able to sell their shadcn stuff, and nobody, absolutely nobody, built anything about it, which boggles me. Alright, so we are in what? We are in server. We need to go to app, into the package.json. Do we have better auth installed here? Oh yeah, we do. So that AppWrite and Lovable work. Yeah, AppWrite database was created and it worked very perfectly. Lovable, I ran out of my Lovable credits, but it was doing its stuff. It kind of gave up very quickly, so I had to ask it to like do it until it looks better, and it tried to do it, but like it was very slow. I blame Lovable for that. Lovable was absolutely very slow, but yeah, I'm impressed. It's gonna be my daily driver from now on, even though I won't use any of the AI features a lot, to be honest, but I like it still. It could be like good for me to like, when like there are times where I'm just like I have to get some course done, and I just need to quickly do some stuff which is not like really developer focused, just quickly some stuff which is not really that important. I could just throw it in. Yeah, I don't like Lovable. I'm sorry to anyone who likes it. I don't like it. I have used it 3 times now. I absolutely hate it. Yeah, and I hate Bolt. I also hate anything which is similar to that. I do not like that concept at all. If it does not involve code as a primary thing, I don't like it. All right. So how do we start? I forgot how it works. I can create a new page, right? And I can simply call it auth, and here I can simply just go index.tsx, and I'm pretty sure BetterAuth should create something for me. Yeah, perfect. Now I'm gonna say, okay, hold on, where's the navbar though? I wanna see. It is the header. No, it's not the header. Where is the navbar? It must be in the layout somewhere in the root, maybe. I'm confused. Where is the navbar? Did they snuff it here by any chance? Nope. I'm gonna ask it. /model, first gonna switch it to Sonnet. I don't wanna hit the limits right now. Where is the navbar located? Header is the regular tan stack start header. It's not the head, not the navbar. Or is it? I'm pretty sure it's not. Am I even the correct app? Let me just go ahead and run it. Oh, it might already be just running. Let me just check. Yeah, it is. Need to go to localhost 3001. Yeah. Where is this located? People are saying that they have dumped down Cloud Code, and if that's the case, I'm gonna be so angry because for months people have enjoyed Cloud Code, and the moment I subscribe, it's gonna be dumped down. Is it an index? I cannot believe if they did an index. Product card from line 112. All right, let's go to 112. Nah, you cannot. Please. Why would you do it in just one file? Move it out to its own separate component. We don't need the tan stack started. I'm gonna remove that. And then what should we ask to do? And design the auth page to have a similar theme and a login with Google button. Don't worry about the implementation for now. Just make sure you use the same standards and creativity for the UI. I'm gonna go do something. I'll be back. Hold on, just give me a sec. Oh yeah, yeah. I'm sorry for that. I went for a little break. I went to the washroom, so I muted myself and I came back and I forgot to unmute. Yeah, the reason I am online right now quickly instead of night is because usually in weekdays I am working in the mornings and at nights I get time to do stuff. So right now today's a weekend, so just went live right now. By the way, we tried out Perplexity Comet. It's an absolutely amazing browser, man. I cannot describe in words how much I love it. What's the problem? Where's the error? Can you stop? Dude, can you stop doing stupid stuff here? Okay. I don't like to use these imports, but whatever. If they solve an error for now. Oh, so it wanted to do it, but it was gonna do it later. Fine. Okay, let's check it out. Something went wrong. Of course something went wrong. Okay. Okay, so the link hasn't been added, but if we go to auth, I love this. I love this. It's just that there should be a Google logo instead of Chrome, but I like this. Don't need all of that stupid jargon like as mentioned in instruction. We don't need stupid jargon. Creativity does not mean adding meaningless things. The above was useless. Add, remove that and make the page better in other ways. And also use Google logo instead of Chrome. What smile? This is the second time, like this is not the one shot, but okay. This was rather fast, you know, like I wasn't expecting to like give me a prompt right away, but it's fine. I wish it could just do stuff within one run and not bug me each time. Oh, nah, don't tell me you're using SVGs like that. But say anything, these models are really good at making SVGs. Yeah, this is good. This is actually good. One thing I'd say is that we can try iterating one more time on this, you know, to make it look even better. But I want to commit my changes first. I want to be that dude who messes up a really good thing and what should I go for? Polar or Dodo for Indian SAS? If you want UPI, go for Dodo. If you are okay with no UPI, go with Polar. Remove the footer? No, I think it looks good, to be honest. I think it's fine. If you don't have the footer, like the page looks like very plain and I don't know, it gives a little bit of character to it. Beautiful auth page. Push origin main. Very excellent. Now I want you to up the notch a bit and make this page look even better using your creativity but following the same standards. By the way, I changed my profile photo on YouTube, so if in future you see a name which sounds familiar but a photo which is not familiar, it's me. It's just not across YouTube yet. It's only in a few places. It's in my dashboard. It's on the channel page, but you won't see it in videos just yet. Yeah, do whatever changes you want. Actualizing. Interesting word choice of words. I mean, this is just way too zoomed in. And it, nah. You just zoomed it in and made the footer go down. This is not good. Revert and think of other ways while still maintaining the theme. User is okay. It literally started thinking. It started using the thinking model. You know, I like the day I started streaming regularly, like I think it was 3 days ago, I got tired very quickly of speaking and my jaw started paining, and it keeps getting better every single time I go live. And right now it's also paining, but you know, I'm just gonna push through it because I like I'm really planning to go live a lot more than often. Going live is a really low effort thing, you know. It works. It just works. I mean, it just reverted that. It really didn't do anything else. Nah, this is bad. I hate this. Ugh. Revert, git changes. Yeah, just reset. I'm good with this. No, I don't wanna use. What do you mean not found? Git pull. Did I run the wrong command? Okay. Okay, I was afraid for a bit. I was very, very afraid for a bit. But yeah, we have this now. Now we can simply just go ahead here and just need to go to the odd.tsx file. Oh, so it didn't do anything here. Okay, alright, works for me. Oh, we need to actually create a new auth client.ts file. Git lifesaver. Yeah, I actually ran the wrong, you know, like git command, and it resetted even my committed changes. Like, to be honest, I'm not familiar with the git reset command. I don't know why I did that, but I already had it pushed, so I just pulled the changes and it was back to where it was. Stupid, I know. Yeah, like at this point, I should probably know a lot of commands of Git, right? But turns out it's not a case. I only know how to commit, how to open PRs, how to push, and stuff like that. How to solve merge conflict sometimes. But never, I never touch things like rebase and reset and all of that stuff. I'm way too scared of all of that. All right, so const auth client is equal to no, not a wait auth client, I guess. Oh, it's not clerk. I'm not using clerk. What do you mean? What's the better auth client? Oh, now it wants to suggest. So convenient. We need to pass in a base URL. HTTP localhost. I can put this in environment variables, but not for now. It's fine. 8080. What else do we need? Okay, we need to actually export this. Is there anything else? We need to actually give some plugins, right? Next, cookies. Do I need to pass in plugins for? No, we are handling most of the stuff on server side anyways, so I think we are fine. Is there anything else remaining here? And dot sign in. Okay, so that's the only thing. We need to go back to our auth.ts file, tsx file, and find the button which does that. Oh. On click. Is Google an option here? I'm a little. I don't think this is a. Can you cursor? Can you stop? Yeah. Sign in dot social provider Google success URL, I guess. Oh, there are a lot of different things than before. Callback URL is gonna be slash dashboard, and the error callback, I guess, is gonna be just this page. What else? Yeah, I guess that's fine. We also need to set up Google Auth credentials and stuff. Whew, hold on. Alright. Was on my phone for a bit. I get distracted too easily. Okay. I need to create Google Auth stuff, so I need to go to server env. I'm gonna have to do this off screen, so let me just go ahead and create a Google Auth client ID and stuff. console.cloud.google.com. I'm doing this off screen. Yeah, my jaw is starting to pain now. Let's go to BetterAuth, Google. The redirect URL should be except this should be 8080 for us. I'm gonna do this right now. Create. Perfect. Now I have it. I just need to put it in the environment variable. Google client ID, Google client secret. What? Save. Perfect. Now we can simply just go to the env file here, like env.ts file here, and just add those here. Google client ID, Google client secret. Perfect. And now we can simply configure BetterAuth to do that stuff. Social providers, Google enabled true. Yeah, should work. Continue with Google. I swear, if we get any stupid error again. Oh yeah, we actually need to authorize this front end in our BetterAuth URL thing. So I think it's in advanced or something like that. There was some kind of I think it was BetterAuth course. Cross subdomain cookies. Yeah, we need to use this, pretty sure. But there was another thing which was to be used, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, it was trusted origins. I'm gonna give like the environment variables later. They probably should be in there. So connection refused, what do you mean? I'm tired at this point. Should this work? Lockback auspice response doesn't pass. Access control check. The value of the access control agent herein must not be wildcard when the request credential mode is to include. Yeah, the credential thing, I'm pretty sure this was so. I don't know the implications of this. I probably should remove the other course stuff. How is it going? I'm dealing with stupid course issues. I'm so tired of this. Can I just not what's the problem? Scrap all the cores and allow from all origins, please. I cannot. This is. I mean, it just did the same thing, but. Is it gonna work now? Just gonna copy this at this point. I'm so done. No, it's localhost 3001 only. I want to allow from all origins. Why is it blocked? Sometimes you have to scream at the AI to make things work. Okay, I probably should read this, you know. Mount the handler, core. Could imagine getting stuck in course issues in 2025. Go with 2. Okay, it's working. I mean, why am I signed out? Yeah, I might need to do that. Just give me sec. It's I have to do passkeys and stuff now. The thing with Dia is that it does not support Apple Passkey, so I need to scan the QR code with my phone all the time. It's already 7 p.m. Damn. We have 84 views, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna quit the stream pretty soon. We tried out Comet for a good hour, and my jaw is now paining, so let's see how much more I can go. Unable to create user. Why do you say that? Okay, so I am in the dashboard now. Of course, I'm seeing a 404 page because we don't have a dashboard yet. We need to create that. Now create a slash dashboard page. Use the same design principles, and in the nav bar should now show a sign out instead of sign in. For now, the dashboard should only have a welcome message, but you should still make it look good. For auth, we are using better auth, so make sure you know what you are accessing. I hate to do design stuff, it's just way too much. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go. I'm gonna do this off stream for a bit. I cannot speak for a very long time now. I just wanna make sure this is done and we can. Well, at least we tried out Comet and I liked it. I could turn that into a video on this channel. But where is the dashboard? I cannot see that. Okay, it is here. Just refresh this. Oh, so yeah, I need to actually go ahead here and say callback URL should be localhost 3001 slash. I'll make sure like I need to actually go ahead and say plug to do plug env here later. I'm too lazy to do all of that. Okay, let's see how it generates the page, and after that we are gonna end the stream. I literally cannot code if it's like not on my monitor. Like the screen is so small to code. Oh, it should be Oculus 3001. I'm sorry. Okay, we have a loading screen. I mean, this is fine. This is not anything extraordinary. This is not even that good, but it's fine, I guess. Yeah, it's good for an MVP, you know. Like, I'm gonna remove these cards. We don't need this at all. But yeah, like, I can get a token and then we can like start playing around with this. Yeah, I probably should have an MVP today or tomorrow, and I'm gonna probably put that on Twitter. So if you guys wanna see that, make sure you follow me on Twitter. It's Atharva Builds. The link must be in description. The link I have in description is the links website, which will take you to my Twitter after that. So yeah, I'm tired now. So I'm tired of speaking. I need to shut up. All right. Thank you everyone for being in the stream. I don't want to push myself a lot because I also have to record a few videos today or tomorrow. So yeah, that's it for the stream. Might stream tomorrow, might stream tonight. I don't know.